Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, and now we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 9th of August 2024, our system has categorized QQQ as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.09. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 2.7%. This results in an average return of 0.9% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently navigating within a broad and horizontal trend, and further movements within this trend are anticipated. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 1.15% over the coming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 4.85% to positive 10.47%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 33.98% over the next year, with potential returns between 26.53% and 49.29%. This corresponds to a price range of $585.28 to $690.60 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for QQQ ETF, after gaining 2.48%. The QQ ETF price increased by 2.48% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, rising from 451.38 to 462.58. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.57%, with a low of 455.70 and a high of 462.84. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 1.1% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also rose on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 12 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 40 million shares were exchanged for approximately $18.31 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, and the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 8.13%, or $40.94, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding QQQ reflect significant market dynamics, particularly in the technology sector. The Nasdaq 100 index, a benchmark closely tied to QQQ, has recently experienced an 8.78% decline over the last month, mainly due to a slump in semiconductor stocks. However, optimism is growing that major players like Nvidia and Broadcom may soon rebound. This potential recovery could positively impact QQQ in the short term, as it usually responds to strength in tech equities. Moreover, notable hedge fund managers are pivoting to the Invesco QQQ Trust as they anticipate growth from the artificial intelligence boom, indicating strong institutional interest. This could drive demand for QQQ, contributing to a positive sentiment around tech stocks going forward. On the flip side, a reported rotation into real estate investment trusts, which have recently outperformed tech stocks, may signal a cautious shift from growth to value investing. This could continue to pressure QQQ if it leads to increased capital flows away from tech. Disappointment in recent economic indicators, such as the jobs report, has also tempered market sentiment, with a notable increase in recession pessimism. This uncertainty could weigh on investor confidence in the short term. Overall, while a semiconductor rebound and increased institutional investment suggest a brighter trajectory for QQQ, macroeconomic factors and sector rotation will influence its performance in the coming months. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, and so far it has risen 6.4%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near short-term development. The QQQ ETF currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Simultaneously, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. As the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a general sell signal for the ETF, leading to a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Should there be further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $473.17. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the ETF will find support from the short-term average at $446.02. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average will generate an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands reflect a buy signal from 7 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a sell signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal from 16 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal from 182 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQ finds support from accumulated volume at $448.75. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund has average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $7.14 between its high and low points, which is a change of 1.57%. Throughout the past week, the ETF experienced an average daily volatility of 2.08%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate that there are low expectations for the company's future performance or suggests that the stock is undervalued, which could represent a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $463.38. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $448.75. If this support level holds firm, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $437.19, reflecting a decrease of 5.49%. This exchange-traded fund experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 24 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a wise investment? The QQQ ETF exhibits several positive indicators. However, we believe these are insufficient to classify it as a strong buy at this time. Given its current position, it is better viewed as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of August, we anticipate that the QQQ will open lower by $2.21, starting at a price of $460.37. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.